Hey guys, back in the garage. Well, door's pretty much the same. Well, let's come over here. This is the box that the 2500 came in, but you see, light lenses. You see the 8550. Well, what did I do? There is the one-piece T-rail, the trolley. And let's follow that back to the sexy, lovely ass 3280-267M, made July 4th, 2008. Shout out to Pro Garage Doors LLC for doing this. And actually, I lied when I said the door's the same. They adjusted the springs. But yeah. So, the button over here is the classic 78LM light. Look. Door control. The remote that I have is the beautiful 373P/963D. Since there's no cars, then let's get a beautiful view and run it right here. Here we go. That's beautiful. The batteries just died. All right, well, let's run it with the 78. Can't even hear that. Listen to it. Can't even hear it. Can't even hear it. Greatest opener of all time. Swear to God. Can't even hear it. They have the same keypad. Too lazy to change it. Right here. I'm actually going to get the 373. I'm gonna get the 37301. Hold on. Okay, we're back out here. I was too lazy to go look for it, so I'm just gonna hope this works. There we go. Super quiet. Greatest opener I've ever. Yeah. I love it. Absolutely love it. We'll get another view from out here with the 373P. That thing doesn't buzz. It kind of like, since the door is pretty heavy, it kind of like does that right at the top, but no biggie. Run it down from right up here so you can hear. Here we go. Man, this thing is so sexy. It doesn't really buzz that much when it goes down. Yeah, huge shout out to Alec from Pro Garage Doors LLC. Really nice man. Really nice man. You know, I'm gonna just run one more time and then I'll be out of here. I never get a shot from over here, so yeah. You can't ask for a better machine, is what I'm saying. You heard it rattle. Run this down, I'll be out of here. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed. Greatest motor of all time. Yeah, see you guys later. Have a nice day.